Okay, good morning guys. Karon magluto ta og spam fried rice. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. I have a spam and then corn, garlic, spring onions, and then white onions, carrots, and then we need peas also. The peas is outside, guys. And then black pepper, salt, soy sauce, and then oyster sauce. Okay, and then the rice also, 4 cups of rice. Okay, we're gonna slice the ham, the spam first. Okay. We're gonna put it here. Okay. We're gonna put it here. Okay guys. First, ato sang gisahon ang ahos. Humot ang ahos. Humot kay ang ahos, guys. Wow. And then, ang onions. Carrots, corn, and then the peas. I'm gonna get the peas, guys. Okay. Then we're gonna add black pepper, sauce, guys. A pinch of brown sugar, and a pinch of salt, guys. Rice. Nakakuha ng mga gahi-gahi. Aw nakakuan ba? Tibog-ol. Kaya lami na, kadili ito tibog-ol guys. Mabuak yun ba? Katagsa. I'm gonna get us. It's yummy. A little more soy sauce. Up na to guys. It's super yummy already. Yummy. Just a little. Ito na. Another tasting. Okay, takto na guys. What guys? Okay guys. So we're gonna garnish green onion. Okay guys. Okay guys. Spam fried rice. Okay guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts guys, my YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page, personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.